Welcome to Setup. This is the foundation of B2B Growth Kit. Unlike Growth Brain, which is mainly for planning and reports, anything you edit here directly affects how the system behaves and how the AI creates replies, comments, insights, and recommendations. So this is where you teach the system your business wants, and every AI feature reuses that foundation. Inside business context, you define what you sell, how you position it, how your pricing works, who you help, and what your voice should emphasize or avoid. This helps the AI understand your product clearly before writing any message, comment, or recommendation. Inside ICP and personas, you define your ideal customer profile. This includes the markets you target, the company profiles you care about, and the buying signals the system should look for. This context is used across account search, pipeline enrichment, engage comments, and growth brain. Then you have your agents. These are the voices used by Connect for inbox replies and by Engage for social comments. You can give each agent specific instructions, like what to say, what not to say, how direct or warm it should be, which language to use, and how it should handle different situations. This gives you control without writing every message from scratch. You can also install the browser assistant from here, including Find, Connect, and Keep, so B2B Growth Kit can work directly inside LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. And soon, future integrations will live here too. So before using the platform deeply, make sure setup is accurate. The better your setup, the better every AI output becomes.